Welcome to Arrow's module. In this video, we're gonna talk about the Kafka producer and consumer with Spring Boot application with multiple topic example. For our video demonstration, we have a one problem scenario. There are multiple students. We need to store all student data in our general topic called the student topic and have to store all past data to the past result topic and unsuccessful student data to the failed result topic separately, and that will happen automatically from our application. On our application, the student class is act like a inbound DTO class and result class will act like a outbound DTO class for our application. Let's have a look at our diagram flow. This is our Kafka broker, and inside our Kafka broker we have three separate topic. One is student, result pass, and third one is the result field. From our client app, we will send student data as a inbound data to the student topic, and from the student topic our application will consume that data, and after consuming the data our application will process the data and will generate the result based upon our business logic, and depends upon our criteria. Fail result automatically goes to the fail topic and pass result automatically goes to the result pass topic separately. Let's have a look in our real application. This is our inbound class called the student class, and this is our outbound class, the result class. And yeah, this is the YML for our configuration for our Kafka things, actually for producer and consumer purpose. Okay, and this is our producer services that produces the result produces the student data to our student topic, and this is the general consumer services that consume the data from our general student topic to our application. This is our business logic class that generate the result based on our business logic, means result criteria, nothing. It is very simple. And yeah, now we will look. This is the services that act like a producer and consumer simultaneously. Actually from this service the data will send to the different topic, means based upon our criteria it goes to the failed result goes to the failed topic and pass result goes to the pass topic. That actually happen from here only. Okay, let's take an real example, means real demonstration from our postman. Okay, so this is the student name and we will put some pass marks. So yeah, that will send to our application, and it will automatic that data will automatically feed it to our general topic as well as our past topic. Okay, see once try with the failed result. Now we can see the difference. See that data goes to the general topic as well as and goes to the past topic, not to the goes to the failed topic, not to the past topic. Okay, let's take another example. See, it goes to the past topic, not to the failed topic. See, that is the difference, and that is the main objective in our video. This is the whole objective for this video. I will put the Git repository in the video description below. You guys can go through that source code. Thank you.